What up, guys? Check this out.
As you can imagine, it's eerie. Am I close enough to you, Brad? I can't go any closer. I'm getting the suntan. What does it look like? Right. It looks like the surface of the sun. It looks like all of my wildest dreams into one moment.
Did you see how far down that crater went? It's like the mouth of the Eye of Sauron. I'd be shaking the whole way down. Not to mention the hellish heat and the throat of black rocks that you're surrounding yourself with. Like a tornado, it's just too big and powerful to even process with the human brain. It's just awe-striking. And then the awe factor is just pushed beyond with the roaring, colossal torrent of magma at the bottom of this cave. Did you see how small that man looked compared to those drops of magma coming off the top of those torrents, those waves? That footage was uploaded onto East London's channel. I had to share this unforgettable experience with you guys. I'm all about nature, and this is one of the coolest things I've seen on YouTube. I definitely understand why Hawaiians worship volcanoes. It's as close to the fire in the heart of Mother Earth as you can get, and that's pretty close to God if you ask me. By the way, check out my shirt. If you like my shirt, go to DedfishTV and hit the online shop to see my available designs. My name is Jeremy, I'm your brother, and you're watching DedfishTV. Check out my channel if you want to see any more cool nature encounters.